We're now going to go over how to configure the tests so that you can change the limits, change the tests that are actually run, and also later on change your product. So here you change the test selection and limit. As you can see, it's password protected, so those that are not allowed to modify it cannot modify it. We follow a wizard format, so you can load different test limit files if you have various limit files created. We're going to proceed on to the test selection. Here you can see the tests that are already selected. So we ran the USB test, composite and HDMI testing, where you can select all the subtests that we're running, analog and SPDIF and audio, and the power test. So depending on the unit, like, we can deselect tests or add new tests, maybe an AC power test instead of a DC power test. The next screen allows you to change the test limits for each of the tests that we've selected. So as you can see, we have the AC power, and you can change the limits for any of the subtests in that. So 120 volts can be modified to 240 if we're in Europe, I guess. Like so. And each one of these has, their own sections based on the kind of test it is. So the analog or the audio tests will look a little different. You can select the channels that you'd like to test, right channel, left channel, or both channels. Right now we're doing both. And you can also add extra frequencies into the frequency sweep. Video test is more like the power test, where it's just straight, greater than, less than limits. Alright, and then once you're done with everything, configuring the test and selecting the test you'd like, you have the option of saving it to a new file or saving it on the default template such that it will be ready for use immediately.